Hey, welcome back. This week's recipe from the farm is a lesson in simplicity. When you start off with really great ingredients, great flavors will follow. Check it out. All right, what I want to show you today is something really special. The Ratte fingerling potatoes. These are an heirloom variety from France, dating back to the 1800s. They're small, golden, and shaped like little fingers, but what makes them famous is the flavor. Buttery, nutty, almost like hazelnuts. French chefs love them, and Joel Robuchon even used Le Rat for his world-famous mashed potatoes. At home, they're incredible, roasted with herbs, tossed in potato salad, or simply mashed in with butter and salt. They don't come around often, but when they do, it's a real treat. So I am tossing these with some olive oil and the spice mix. You can check it out on my website and see what the spice mix is. It came out really nicely. This is a really simple way to make fingerling potatoes, and I love this variety. So I've added the herb, mix it up. Then I'm going to turn it out onto some parchment paper on top of a cookie sheet. And then I'm going to flip it around so all the cut sides are down because I want those to brown nicely. So I'm going to let those brown, flip them over, let them brown, and I don't snoggle this as it's like cooking. I let it like roast like that, and it gets a nice like caramelization on the cut side. You can see I'm just getting those organized. And I'm going to put the oven 400 degrees for about 45, 50 minutes, depends on your oven. And there you can see they came out, they're really nice. And that's pretty much it. Add some salt, and then you're good to go. All right, potatoes are done. Wasn't that simple? Let's give this a try. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, that is really nice. Wow. I think you're going to like this one. Try it out. Until next time, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good. Mmm. Mm-hmm.